something happened yesterday, and it has been so demoralizing, but I'm trying not to think about it. Whew. Let me explain. I do tell you that this is not my first channel. I have a monetized channel. That's my vlog channel. And this is like the 15th, or I think this is the 16th of the month. This is the period where YouTube accumulates your money and then they send it after like 5 days, or in the next 1 week you shall get your money. That's the point. Because my vlog channel is not a channel that gets those views like that. I'm always like not getting enough revenue, right? So I thought about it that, okay, instead of whenever I get $100, I let them send it to my account. Why not increase my minimum threshold so that it will add up to a reasonable amount and then I can get it? So I increased it, and then this week I was like, okay, I think I need money. I'm kind of broke. Let me reduce it back to $100. So I did. I reduced it, and tell me why. I already saw what my money was going to be. I saw $131. It was not up to the threshold I put it in, right? So it was like $131, and I was like, okay, not bad, even if it is still small, but not bad for a channel that is growing. Okay, let me have my money. I totally forgot that there's something that takes your money away before it gets to you, and that is the tax. UX withholding tax. I'll explain what it does, but it is really, really, really annoying because tell me why I got a notification from AdSense and they're saying, okay, this is the money that is coming to you, and I'm seeing less than $120, and I was like, but I saw $131. What's going on? So I went to my YouTube AdSense, and tell me why they are removing tax of $12.48. Out of how much? How much am I earning? How much am I earning? They're removing $12.48 for a channel that is not earning much. If I was making, and the funniest thing is, there's even nothing like, oh, if I was making, the higher your revenue, the more tax they are going to remove, because it all deals with, how do I say it? It all deals with your US audience. So people say, oh, I want UK people to view my this thing because advertisers will pay more. Yes, they would. But when you're getting your revenue, they are going to remove the equivalent of the US citizen watching your video. They are going to remove the equivalent in your revenue. And the equivalent, I don't have too much US people watching me, right? So the equivalent is $12.48, which is really sad because I've calculated the money. I'm like, okay, this is what I'm getting. Okay, this makes sense. And now this is way drastic. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my, oh, I'm looking at it right now, and it is really annoying. A 012, why? That is why I'm not all for USDC. It's just that it helps when it helps you to get that money, but they will still remove it. So what's the point? It's just better you have Nigerians or any other country watching you, and you get your money, and you know that when they're removing taxes for the percentage of US people watching you, it is not up to any amount, like it is very less. I can remember the last one I had, it was like $9 or $7. The tax they remove, I think it was like $7 or nine, I'm not sure, thereabouts, $7 to $9. Now it is 12. Are you telling me my US citizens are getting, like, people are getting, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I don't know what to call. I don't know if it is a good thing because that means more US citizens, that means higher CPM, but that means low revenue. I don't know if you get it. It is so annoying. It's so annoying. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, but there's nothing I can do. There's absolutely nothing anyone can do about this. If Nigeria, your country, has I think unity treaty, or I don't know the word they call it, treaty with US, then I don't think we need to pay taxes. But because there is no treaty between them, then we need to pay taxes for audience watching our video. Oh, this is so annoying. But anyways, these are the cons. These are the cons of being on YouTube, being monetized on YouTube, and making money off of YouTube. There are some people that majority of their audience are from US. What are they going to do? You're going to tell me they are going to remove half of their money. What else are they taking home? They would not want to create content again because they'll feel, okay, my audience are US audience. How do I even remove them? You can't remove your subscribers. You can't say, oh, these are the people I want to create content for. Except if you want to you want to niche down to the point where no other country can understand what you are making. Make it make sense. But anyways, that's the reality of being monetized on YouTube. I say this because this channel is for YouTube growth, right? It is for my small YouTubers that are trying to grow and trying to stay monetized. This is the reality of what you face when you end up getting monetized. It is not always glamorous. It only gets glamorous when you are making a whole lot that whatever tax they want to remove would not like freak you. But this is a channel that is still growing and making way less, so it would definitely pain you when you don't get exactly what you are expecting. So anyways, do well to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.